Well, make your money. Well, make your money, baby.
The importance of standing as early as possible is not a new idea, and has been part of some clinicians' evidence-based therapy plans for years. A more recent trend, implementation of large-scale hip surveillance programs, have further reinforced the importance of standing and standing in abduction as a therapy intervention. Standing early and often may improve acetabular and musculoskeletal development, especially for those at high risk of hip integrity issues. Zing standers have been at the forefront of providing the most functional and easy-to-use solutions for early standing and anatomically correct standing in abduction. We pride ourselves in taking feedback from parents and therapists who have used our current Zing products and are introducing a true game changer in the 0 to 3 age range. With the new Zing Portable, a standing session can be made possible anywhere, anytime. With 3 foldable legs, a carrying handle, and a weight under 20 pounds, moving the stander from one room to another becomes a breeze. Because of the small footprint when folded, traveling with your Zing stander is now possible, and when a standing session is completed, the Zing Portable can be packed away without taking up too much space. With only 4 straps to secure the child, tool-free adjustment of the headrest, upper body support, knee pads, foot plates, and swing-away tray, the child will spend more time standing. Standing can be accomplished in both supine and prone positions. Zing's anatomically correct hip abduction can be done up to 15 degrees per leg in both standing positions. This product can establish a new standard of care. Children need to start abducted standing when their typically developing peers start the process of learning to walk. The Zing Portable is the first appropriately proportioned early intervention stander. The unit will not look or feel outsized, yet the maximum weight of 36 pounds and height of 36 inches provides plenty of growth for a child's first years. For more information about the Zing Portable and to learn more about all of the Zing products, visit zingstanders.com.